Thanks for following my journey so far. In this video, we're diving into days 12 and 13 and celebrating the big milestones from the first 2 weeks. This includes rehab progress, dressing updates, and staple removal. You won't want to miss these key moments. I'm just going to show you the exercises that I'm doing at the moment. We are day 12 and we are seeing progress. I won't do the full amount, but just show you how far I can get to. So we've got hip abduction, and rather than just swinging, which is going with gravity, we take it out and hold, that's the hard bit, and then bring back in. So you've got an isometric contraction on the end. Now, considering it was my gluteus medius that was sliced through in surgery, I'm thinking that's pretty good 12 days after it being cut open. So I would do 20 of those, and then I'm doing standing heel lifts, which is for gastrocnemius, gets the blood pumping. Then we go to hip extension. Again, hip extension is for glute max, so it's all part of the glute complex. Back, hold, bring back, and again you can cheat and just swing, which isn't doing anything. So just take it back, hold. I'm probably arching my back a bit too much, but I can feel it exactly where I need to feel it, and that's the key point. We also have hip flexion. So I'm doing it only has to be that leg, but I do it more as a march. So I lift that leg, I'll lift that one, and then I'm comparing where they get to. So lift and hold. And also, because I've got my crutches, it means I'm actually bearing some weight through my operated leg. But I've got quite a lot of weight going through the crutches as well. So they all put me out of breath, things that I wouldn't even consider an exercise prior to the operation. And now working my CV and my muscles, and we are getting better every day. And I keep saying it is all about the small goals, because if I compare this to yesterday, I don't think I've noticed that much difference. But if I compare it to 5 days ago, I'd see a massive difference. So keep going. Keep doing your rehab. Another exercise for the glutes is glute bridges. So we're lifting up and again holding on the top, hold for 5 and down. And this one we're trying to keep the hips level, because again my non-operated leg could take all of the weight, so I'm trying to put weight through that side. And even before you go into the glute bridge, from this position, squeeze your glutes, activate them, and then lift. And I'll do 20 of those. Other ones from this position, we've got the hill slides. So that really was straight after my operation, which I can do now. So doing it standing is a lot better. So not really, just cause something. Not really doing these too much. And the ankle pumps, you can just do all the time. You sat in a chair, watching your film. All you got to do is move your feet around, and that's getting the blood circulating. Because one of the main things after major surgery is a risk of clotting or thrombosis. So as well as having the injections, anything you can do to increase circulation in your legs is going to reduce that risk. Just waiting for my lunch to cook, so trying to work on my balance and my tricep.
Oh my God.
Just got to make sure I put that leg down first. That's really important. That's a bit silly. Please do not copy. Morning. It's day 13, so we're coming up to 2 weeks. And this morning I walked downstairs with one crutch, made some tea, made a smoothie, shouted Andrea to come and collect them, Heart rate went up to 150 again walking up the stairs, but it's staying around 60, 65 at rest. I weighed myself this morning and I'm back to my pre-op weight of 10 stone 5. So hopefully that's showing all the swelling's gone down now. And if you look, excuse what I'm wearing, but we've been looking at how wide it is here or how swollen. So it does go out quite a lot around that area, especially if I do that. But that is muscle, so there's going to be a lot of scar tissue in that area. So today I've been waiting for patiently is to get these hard staples out. We're going to try and video if we're allowed at the hospital, I'm not sure. If not, we'll do photo evidence. But even when I sit down, if you can just get me sat like that, because it pulls the skin and I just feel it pulling all through there. So I'm hoping that when the metal comes out, it will just feel a lot freer. And I explained it earlier as plantar fasciitis of the bottom. I know it doesn't make any sense to anyone, but if you've had plantar fasciitis before, it's that first step in the morning that just gets you. And as you're walking around, and then it starts to ease off. And in the morning, I feel like I'm back to square one. After a few steps to the bathroom or down the stairs, it eases off a bit. So that's what I've now got, plantar fasciitis of the bottom. Staples out today. We're going to do a park walk, and I'm hoping to get all around the pond today. So hoping to see some progress. Nearly 2 weeks in. So it's feeling much better today than the last time we went to the park, which I think was 3 days ago. I didn't even get halfway round, and I've already popped out to the doctors, in and out the car. Now I'm doing my advanced walking method, which means hopefully I'm walking a bit more normal rather than using both and swinging through. I've just got to be aware that I'm putting weight through my left leg and not making my right even more dominant, because my right quad is pretty good at the moment, but if the left one can equal that, I'll be very happy. I want to see it fly off, that would be...
How are you feeling about having your stitches out?
A bit apprehensive, because I am a big wuss. And I've seen the pliers. We're actually taking the pliers with us. They're special staple pliers. I'm hoping where the scarring is, there's not a lot of sensation anyway, but I'm just ready for them out because it just feels so tight, and it's not part of my body, so I want it out. And then I can start doing a bit of self-massage, hopefully. So I've got some scar oil I'm going to be using. But it's just massive there. I say it looked like I've got a left Brazilian butt lift. So is that just all scar tissue?
Yes, that will, the swelling can't be there for a few, it will be there.
Because it doesn't feel like swelling, but it's underneath, isn't it?
Yes. Yeah, that's normal.
Yeah. Okay.
Right, so you lay down?
What, side lying or?
Yeah, side lying.
Oh, I haven't laid side lying yet. Oh God, that hurts.
The
Wow.
hip. Or the heels.
That's going to be the worst bit.
Ah. only ever had a leg wax once. I said never again. I'm such a wuss. I think I've just got irritable hair follicles.
Wow, it's glue. Looks like glue.
Yeah, these are the stickiest dressings.
Well, we have showered from day one. We've wrapped it with cling film and sat in us. What's your face like that for, Andrea? What do you mean, wow?
It's a bit yucky.
Is it? Is it not healed?
Yeah, it's just the blood.
Okay.
So the dressing's giving you a blister.
Okay.
Well, apart from that, it does look good.
Huh?
It does look good.
It does look good.
It does.
Well, you're the expert.
Apart from all the blood, it looks good.
Well, you must have seen. Shall we? I'll go in.
Oh.
Yeah.
Ready?
No.
No. If you need to stop, just let me know.
How many are there?
It's about 10.
Okay, a lot of people in the groups. Some had disposable, not disposable. What are they called?
Dissolved.
Yeah. I was like, do they work? Really, are they strong enough? Because it's a lot of tissue.
Yes. But most of the time it will be dissolvable and then steri strips. Most of the time. And some people have about 30 staples.
Yeah. Went for the staples. I'm just looking at your face, Andrea.
By a shark.
Is that all of them?
Yeah.
Oh, amazing.
Yeah, it was really good. It's heated really.
Well, staples are out. That was less painful than I thought. She was really nice. That also helps, doesn't it? But getting that dressing off, oh my word, if ever you've had, I don't know, tape on your body anywhere that's stuck, or I don't know if you heard, it was like some leg wax. Ugh. But anyway, so I've done well. Now sitting here. I don't know if it feels different at the moment, but hopefully it won't pull as much. So that's another step. What's the next thing? Physio in 2 more weeks, isn't it? Yeah. Just that one movement. Oh, are you filming?
Yeah.
I gotta pretend it's easy. Getting in the car is the hardest thing, I think. Oh, but give me these. Let me show. These. So I've been doing, Andrea's been doing daily injections for the DVT, blood clotting, and we just both of us get really anxious about it at 6 o'clock at night. So we've asked if we can have some oral meds, and these start from today. So we've got rid of all of the injections, and I just feel like a whole weight has been lifted from both of our bodies. It's amazing. It's the best news. It wasn't that painful. I was a bit aware the staples were coming out. So I've, been a great day so far.
6 o'clock, are you ready?
6 o'clock. Let's go. Where's my free space? Can you see it? Hold on. What did we get today from the hospital? We got, let me show you, injection, or the smallest tablet in the world. So I've just got to take one of those now instead for the next 2 weeks. and you just don't know how happy that makes me. It's tiny. I'm joking. Oh, mwah. So we're day 14. Andrea's prepping herself to
For
remove
the big reveal.
Yeah, come on then. We'll take the stockings off. And I mean, I could take that off myself, but while she's there, eh? She's a good egg. Right. Okay. Bit more gentle on that one, please. So high maintenance.
You are, sweet.
Yeah. So I'm going to have a go myself first. The nurse that put it on said it should be easy because it's only been on one day. But they say anything to get rid of you at hospital, don't they? Okay, it's not too bad. There's still the sticky from...
That bit is the...
Oh, the blister.
Yeah.
It's a funny gauze, isn't it?
Mm.
Ooh, at least it gets rid of my hairy bum. Ow! There we go. How's that looking?
Wow.
Wow. You normally say that when you look at my bum, though. Can you take a picture? Thank you so much for watching this video. We value any comments you'd like to make on your progress, and please keep watching because we're going to be making further ones right through the recovery process. I hope this helps you, and see you on the next one.